Hello, beautiful people. My name is Kristen. Thank you for coming to my channel today. Today I have my Fashom box, and this one I ordered pretty quick to the last one I had. I can link it for you up here, but Fashom is one of those on-demand services. It never ships automatically. You have to always go in and say, I'm ready for a box. So I wanted another box because I did see a couple items, particularly a spice sweater on Meredith, Mirror of All Trades channel, which I can also put that link below in my description if you want to go watch her unboxing. And I tried to order that and they said they did not have it in my size. So I think I only waited about a week. Inventory changes fast. So that's kind of the fun of these services too. You get the return mailer. It is free both ways. $15 styling fee, but the first time you order, it is waived. If you use my link below, you not only get the first styling fee waived, but you get a $10 credit. So that's a really good deal. Here is my lovely bundle. Lots of nice winter colors. It's 5 tops. So Fashom does send you a preview of 7 or 8 items, and you pick 5 to have sent to you, and then you try them on. So I know this time I'm getting 5 tops. The one on top is a repeat. I got this 2 Fashoms ago. You may recognize it if you follow my channel. So this is the mod style with the gold and the feathers. And I was just on a really tight budget around Christmas time, go figure. And so I only kept the pants from that. And now I have another pair of pants that I got in that last unboxing. And I know this is cute and fits me well. So I will most likely be keeping that. I believe it's $43. Let me see if I got a little pricing sheet. It's $43. So thank you. All right, so next I have a top by Papermoon, and it's a light sweater material. It's got the scallop and white and stripe and navy, and then it's got a white scallop. And I really like this. It looked like it would be pretty comfortable. I'm not sure it's my style because it just looked a little preppy, but the other 2 items were even less my style, and this is kind of my 5th item. So we're gonna give it a try, see how that works out. This one is white birch, which is a brand I was really anxious to try. It's got a really wide kind of boat neck, waffle, olive cuff, but the bottom has this kind of faux suede hanging down. So we'll see. And I think Meredith got that one too. So we'll see how that looks. This one's the one I was probably most excited to try by Leah Me. And it is a short sleeve, but it's got a beautiful kind of handkerchief scarf pattern, and then some more tribal-y markings there at the bottom. Goes all the way around. So I really like this, and it is kind of a brush knit, and even this is a little silky, but it's still very soft. And let me look real quick and see the materials. It's 100% polyester, and the other part is rayon with a little bit of spandex. So we will give that a try. And then the last top, I think Kayla from Kayla's Closet got this one. It's got the leopard top. Who makes this one? This one's also white birch. So it's that kind of waffle pattern, and then it's got the leopard sleeve and bottom. So yeah, that's cute. I like that. I'm wearing, I actually was trying to get Fashom to send me their scarf top that was similar to this, but they didn't have it. And that Kayla got that one. And so I found this one at TJ Maxx for $5. So, and I can link that, my TJ Maxx haul. Hold on for the try on. Okay, so here's the mod style V-neck print top in white and blue, $43. You can see the gold detail and then the little gold flecks feather the armholes. I am actually wearing a black bra today and you can't see it through the white, so that's impressive. And it's got a cute hem there. These are my Fashom pants. I was wearing them today. I had to switch tops. Alright, the next one is Crescent, the gray suede shaped top in small, blue and ivory. And this is the thin sweater that's $28. So it has the cute scallops on the sleeves and top. And again, it's not showing too much through. It's thick enough. Has the stripes in the middle, the blue. It's pretty long, kind of almost covers the booty. So I really like it more than I thought I was gonna like it. Not totally positive it is me, but it's kind of fun. Next is white birch, the Stella waffle knit top in olive. It has a super big boat neck. It like kind of almost wants to come all the way off the shoulder, but the sleeves, they're sewn cuffed, but you could probably cuff them again. Well, it shows the seam. If you cuff them, maybe you could cuff them twice. It starts getting a little bulky, but like if you had it off your shoulder, it would be, you would need to do that a little bit. So it's definitely oversized, definitely comfortable, soft, lower in the back than the front. Got the slit. It's kind of fun. I think it was 38. I'll put it on the screen for you. Yes, 38 for this one. I will be curious to hear what you think of this one. This is the Lay Me one that I was really excited to try. Navy small, $44. So it has, this part's really soft knit, scoop neck. This is the soft knit. It's got cute stitching here, and then the kind of handkerchief pattern fabric that I love here. I'm not sure, always I'm questioning the lines and where they're at. I really like the fit here. It's fitted without being real tight. I kind of like generally the position of it. I'm just not sure if it, you know, lines make you look wider there, if that's an okay thing. What do you think? I will put a little eye up in the, I'll put a poll. The white birch Piper waffle long sleeve in rust for $43. This one has a pretty big V. It's pretty loose. Kind of have to be careful if you were gonna wear your bra straps up. It does have this band. Let me see if you could pull it, if you pulled it all the way down and maybe had it with black Spanx or leggings. I think you could probably do that. It's gonna stick because this is kind of fitted and stretchy. And then the sleeves, I kind of like the sleeves, the balloon and that. Show you down. Let's pull it up. Could even tuck it so it's completely hidden, right? Or I don't know. I'm gonna have to show my husband, do a poll, and think about it, and I will be right back with my final thoughts. So, final thoughts. I went and polled my husband, and he said that this top and this top were his two favorites. So this top I had already had before. I already love it. I'm going to keep this one. I will put a poll up in the little eye if you click that for the other 4 pieces. So I am leaning towards this one because we both thought that if you put the black Spanx that I got from my trunk club that I wore for Christmas Eve with this, that would be a really cute date night. So I'm leaning towards this. If I keep 2, the 3rd one, I get 25% discount on all of them. So that would make the others very affordable. I love the top of this, but I'm not real fond of the bottom. I could make it work maybe, but let me know. And then this one, I really like it, but it's just not quite my style. It reminds me a little bit, it feels too fancy for me is what it is. This feels much more country club, like just another level that I'm not. It reminds me of my good friend Barbara though. She has that extra chic style that just pulls off this kind of look perfect. Like she wears those really cute like little collars and little bows and things that I love, but they just don't look right on me. So I could even get this and give it to her. So Barbara, if you're watching my video, what do you think? Do you want to try this? It's $28 and it would pretty much be free as my 3rd item. So I might keep that to give to somebody that's their style because it's really actually very well made for that price. And this one is fun. And I could totally wear this with leggings and totally be casual. You can't wear this to work or church or anything like that. But, you know, if it was a 3rd piece at a discount, I would consider this. I really like the color. I like the softness and the texture of it. But, you know, if I wasn't getting anything else or gonna get the discount with it, I probably wouldn't lean towards it. So answer the poll up top. Which of the 4 do you think I should keep, if any? You can say no on all of them. That will not hurt my feelings. In fact, I appreciate the honesty. And let me know if you would like to try Fashom, or if you do, what your favorite piece is, because they turn over inventory, but a lot of times you get a lot of the similar pieces and it's fun to see them on different people. I love seeing the same item on different people, and you know, one person wears it and you're like, that's not quite it. And then somebody else wears the exact same thing and you're like, that totally works. And it's just fun. It's like going shopping with your girlfriends, but we get to do it virtually online on our own time. It's fantastic. Thank you for spending time with me. More is coming up, so take time to like and subscribe. Come along with me. Y'all have a blessed day.